Welcome back everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone just keeps restarting. Now this happens for a couple of different reasons, but hopefully it's not a hardware problem. Essentially, if your iPhone actually has a battery issue where the battery in your device keeps disconnecting or whatever, you may have to go and send it into Apple to have them take a look at it and fix it. So do keep that in mind. But if you haven't recently dropped your phone or it's in really good condition nonetheless, then it may just be a software issue. So what I would recommend you to do is, first of all, completely power down your specific device. So you can either, force restart it, or you can go ahead and just hold down the, power button and completely power down your device. Now, when it's powered off, what I would recommend you to do is just leave it powered off for a little while. There's a lot of devices out there that if you're constantly killing your battery and, bringing it back to life and all that stuff, the battery degradation is a real thing. And sometimes I've had phones like this before that the phone will say it's on 50% and then it'll randomly crash on me at 49, and then it just will come back to life and it'll be on 21%. It's very weird. It happens all the time. My iPhone 7, 6S constantly do that. But what I found that actually helps it out is if I totally power down the device and I plug it into charge, just letting it sit there and completely charge up to 100% and using it, that actually ends up fixing it for me. And that is pretty much the main thing I would recommend you to do, to completely power down your device and let it charge all the way up to 100% if you're able to, and essentially move on from there. Now, let's say you do that and that doesn't work. Well, the next option that you have is to essentially update your specific iPhone. Now, if you're running a beta on your phone, if you're running anything like that, you're going to run into a lot of problems regardless, and I would not recommend you to install a beta on your phone. So either downgrade to a lower beta, or what you can do is, update to the most latest official version. So go inside of your settings app, go into general, and you want to click on software update, and then just see if there's an update available. If there is, you want to go ahead and update to it. If there is not an update available, then you're going to have to, the best thing to do is factory reset your phone. So back up everything on your specific device. You can do iCloud backup, you can do anything you need to, and then go ahead and erase everything from it. So general settings, you want to go into, reset at the bottom and erase all content and settings. You want to erase everything from your phone, and then you can go ahead and bring back everything, after resetting your device and see if that works. If this doesn't work, you will probably have to contact Apple and have them take a look at your device, because these are typically the main things you can do to essentially fix this specific issue. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, all of every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.